This video is for beginners on how to apply lashes as quickly as possible. Once you get the hang of it, it'll be super painless. I mean, it's already painless, but like, it'll take you 2 seconds to do. So you're gonna need some lash glue. I like the Duo brush on. Obviously, you're gonna need some lashes. I'm using the Kiss Luxe Extensions in the style Cashmere. You're gonna need eyelash curler, scissors, and tweezers. 95% of the people in the world cannot wear the lashes straight out of the packaging because the band is always super duper long, so let's trim them. Side note, it's totally optional what lashes you choose to wear, but let me know if you guys want a video on the best lashes for certain eye shapes, because there are lashes that help flatter eye shapes. Just let me know. So when trimming lashes, it's always recommended to start trimming them on the outer corner versus the inner corner. Reason being, most lashes gradually get longer towards the outer corner, and it would just look more unnatural if you trimmed the inner corner because it's usually the shortest. When trimming lashes, I like to have my starting point of the lash at the beginning of my iris, where the color part of your eye is. I just find on my eyes that is the most comfortable place for my lashes to start, so I'm going to cut off the excess. I just need to trim this one notch off. Let's see how that's looking. Much better. When applying the lash glue on the lashes, don't apply a lot of glue. You don't want a lot because then it's never going to dry, but just apply a thin layer, not thin enough to where it dries really quick, but enough to where it gets tacky after a while. I like to wait 15 to 30 seconds for my glue to dry, and while I wait for my glue to dry, I like to bend the lash like this, kind of manipulate the band a little bit so it's more curved, because that's the shape of our eyes. Our eyes are round. So you want to make sure that the lash fits instead of it being straight. That will cause the lash to pop up on your inner and outer corners. All right, so this is key. When applying the lashes, don't look straight forward in a mirror. Tilt your head up and look down into a mirror so you can see your entire lash line and exactly where you're going to place your lashes. And I like to start in the middle and then fix that little outer corner and then place the inner corner, just like that. Then while the lash is drying, I like to just kind of wiggle it in there so it gets rid of any air pockets. Then I like to take my lash curler. This is from the Cream Shop. I got it at Marshall's. And I just like to curl the lashes with my real ones to just blend them together. And I get as close to the lash line as possible so I can really make sure that the band is not visible at all. This next step is optional, but I like to do it on myself and on my clients as well. Taking a little extra layer of lash glue on that band to really make sure it does not pop up. Went ahead and applied the other eye, added a little bit more mascara on my lower lashes, finished my lip, and that's it.